airport and travel routine. Getting ready at home. Fold my clothes. I fold my clothes. Put them in my suitcase. I put them in my suitcase. Zip up my suitcase. I zip up my suitcase. Check my flight ticket. I check my flight ticket. Make sure I have my passport. I make sure I have my passport. Call a taxi. I call a taxi. Going to the airport. Get into the taxi. I get into the taxi. Put my suitcase in the trunk. I put my suitcase in the trunk. Sit in the back seat. I sit in the back seat. Head to the airport. I head to the airport. Arrive at the airport. I arrive at the airport. Get out of the taxi. I get out of the taxi. Pull up my suitcase handle. I pull up my suitcase handle. Walk into the terminal. I walk into the terminal. Get an airport cart. I get an airport cart. Push the cart forward. I push the cart forward. Look at the flight information screen. I look at the flight information screen. Check my flight number. I check my flight number. Checking in. Look for the check-in counter. I look for the check-in counter. Wait in line. I wait in line. Take out my passport and ticket. I take out my passport and ticket. Show my passport. I show my passport. Put my suitcase on the scale. I put my suitcase on the scale. Check in my luggage. I check in my luggage. Get my boarding pass. I get my boarding pass. Security and waiting area. Walk to the security check. I walk to the security check. Empty my pockets. I empty my pockets. Take off my jacket. I take off my jacket. Put my watch in the tray. I put my watch in the tray. Walk through security. I walk through security. Pick up my things. I pick up my things. Put my jacket back on. I put my jacket back on. Buy a bottle of water. I buy a bottle of water. Buy a small snack. I buy a small snack. Check my gate number. I check my gate number. Follow the signs to my gate. I follow the signs to my gate. Walk to the boarding gate. I walk to the boarding gate. Wait near the gate. I wait near the gate. Listen for the boarding announcement. I listen for the boarding announcement. Get ready to board the plane. I'm ready for takeoff. Boarding the plane. Show my boarding pass. I show my boarding pass. Walk down the jet bridge. I walk down the jet bridge. Step onto the plane. I step onto the plane. Find my seat. I find my seat. Put my bag in the overhead bin. I put my bag in the overhead bin. Sit down in my seat. I sit down in my seat. Keep my phone in my pocket. I keep my phone in my pocket. Look out the window. I look out the window. Fasten my seat belt. I fasten my seat belt. Be ready for takeoff. I'm ready for takeoff.
Which sentence do you like best? Repeat again and speak with me. Subscribe for more daily English.